Welcome to the Arsenic Cooking channel. Today I will be showing you another way of making salmon. I have plenty of more recipes to show you from my cooking book, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. So first things first is preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And now we're going to wash salmon and pat it dry. I'm gonna leave this here. And pat it dry with a paper towel. And by the way, this is not my recipe, this is something I got from IKEA. So we're gonna be making it with lemon and dill sauce that I got from IKEA. And actually recipe is on the back of that package. So now we're gonna pat it dry with a paper towel and cut it into 4 pieces. So this will feed 3 to 4 people. Make sure everybody gets an equal size portion, so nobody gets mad. So we have these 4 pieces here, nicely cut. We will put it inside this glass container. As you can see, it's not going to fit everything, but we're going to squish it through here. If you have a larger container, just make sure you use it. So I just want to use this glass one as I like it. All right, let's put all the dirty dishes inside here. Now we have this citron and dill, which is in English lemon and dill sauce. Nobody says citron anymore, and now we're going to shake it up. Shake it up for 10 seconds. Let's shake it up. Shake it up. Shake it up. We're going to cut it and pour all over our... Да, надо телефон был выключить. Да, это так будет долго. Alright, so now let's make sure we equally distribute it. So for that, I'm going to use some kind of spatula, something, just to distribute it equally. Alright, make sure we cover it up. As you can see, super easy recipe. Cut the salmon, which was about 1 pound, into 4 pieces, pour the sauce on top, and that's it. That's all you gotta do. Make sure the oven is preheated to 350 degrees, and now we'll put it in for 20 to 25 minutes. That's it. So while we are waiting for salmon in the oven, we're going to be cutting the vegetables and making a salad. Because, why would you watch this video unless, we'll add something to it? So first things first is, as you can see, I have a bunch of dill here. It's about 12 ounces of cucumbers, 2 medium-sized tomatoes. So let's cut it up. Now I'm going to show you how to cut a cucumber, so you don't cut your fingers off. All right, that was an easy part. Let's cut it in half. So since these are mini cucumbers, I'm not going to peel their skin off because their skin is as thin as it is. If you have like a regular cucumber, just make sure you peel the skin off. So you're going to put it like this, in this fashion, right? And your knuckle over here will be actually touching the side of the blade right over here. So you will never cut your finger. But I usually go like this. See, super fast. You're gonna be like what's his name? Gordon Ramsay or whatever his name is. You'll be just like him. Like that. Just like that. Yep. See how fast I'm doing it? Yep, just like this. Now I'm gonna show you how to cut a tomato. Alright. So, usually cut it in half. Get the bad part out. And now the skin, what I do is I put it on a board because if you try to cut it this way, your knife might slide off and you might cut yourself, or it's not going to cut as efficiently. And just like that, you can even grab 2 pieces if you want, just like this. See how nicely it's also very important to have a sharp knife. If you don't have a sharp knife, you're going to be here for hours trying to cut one tomato. Just like that. Now let's go with the dill. I'm actually going to leave one of the branches of the dill for salmon when it's ready. And the rest I'm going to put in my salad. Okay, so we don't need those legs over here, so I'm going to... And with the dill, like this. And you can have one more time, like that, just to make it nice and small. That's it. Oh, here's some branches. I don't want that. I don't want to be eating a branch. Don't want to have a branch in my mouth. And that's it. So when all is nicely cut, we're going to add some olive oil and salt and pepper to your taste. I usually add white pepper right over here. I get it in Whole Foods. And the reason I do that is it's less visible inside the salad, and yet it still has that peppery taste that you want in your food. And some salt goes in as well. And then we're going to mix it all up. Some salt. It's nice and easy salad to make. So just like 3 ingredients, cucumbers, tomatoes, and some dill. And now we're going to mix it all up. Look how beautiful this salad is. Nice colors. It will pair well with salmon. "25 minutes have passed, now let's get it out. I'm ready for lunch. Our salad is ready, as you can see, right over here. So yeah, let's get the salmon out. All right, it's bubbling, it's bubbling. It's ready to be put on a plate. Turn it off. All right, let's get it out. My mom gets the first piece, right? You get the first piece?
Yes. Готово?
Да. Even if it's a little raw inside, that's okay. But looks like it's not. So my mom gets this large piece, and I'm gonna get the small piece. I'm on a diet. Just kidding. Gonna put some decoration on top of dill. Put some salad on the side, and that's it. This is ready to be devoured or indulged. Here we go, some salad on the side. Perfect pairing. Everything has dill in it. Look at this. Perfect. Cooked perfectly through. As you can see, it's still very moist, very juicy inside. Has a fantastic sauce here. All right, now let's try this. Oh my God, look how flaky this is. Melts in your mouth. Seriously. Oh, let me catch this dill. Gotta have this dill. I would even suggest undercooking it. Just amazing. Some salad. The sauce is unbelievable. So juicy. Tastes just delicious. So now you know one more way of making salmon at home. Get this package from IKEA, buy some salmon, cook it up. If you already have salmon, great. Now you know how to make it. So until next time, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video. If you have any questions, leave the comments below. And until next time on the Arsenic Cooking channel. Thank you.